next we go on the solution on how to find the thermal efficiency of the Rankine cycle. So we have this formula, nu R, which is thermal efficiency, is equal to W net over Q in. W net is work of turbine minus work of compressor is divided by Q in. So this is the work of turbine HPT and LPT. So WT means the summation of work of high pressure turbine. So if we refer to TS diagram, this is high pressure turbine at state 3 and state 4. So WHPT is H3 minus H4 plus WLPT, low pressure turbine. In TS diagram, low pressure turbine is at state 5 and 6. So H5 minus H6. WC, work of compressor. So this is work of compressor or work of pump, H2 minus H1. And for Q in we have two Q in. One is at the state 3, 2, H3 minus H2, and one is here at the reheat. So H5 minus H4. Okay, so from this solution, we can see that we have to find the enthalpy for each state. So we start with process 1 to 2, which is in a compressor or pump. So here in pump, state 1 to state 2. So at state 1, okay, the pressure is 50 kilopascal and the phase is in saturated liquid. So we refer at table A5 and we find HF. And HF is equal to H1. This is the value of H1, and I also find specific volume, VF, and this is the value of VF. I consider VF as a V1. We have work of pump. The formula is H2 minus H1. H2 minus H1. And we also have the formula of work of pump as a specific volume 1 multiply with P2 minus P1. Therefore, I can combine this and this into this equation. So, I rearrange this equation so I get H2. So, I put all the values that I find in the property table and I will get the H2. Okay, so I already has H1 and H2. So next we proceed at process 2 to 3, which is in a boiler. Okay, process 2 to 3 in a boiler. Okay, if you can see at the TS diagram here, okay, the color in green is in a boiler and the pressure is 17.5, which means P2 is equal to P3 is equal to 17.5. Okay, so at pressure of 17.5, I convert MPa to kPa and the temperature given as a 550 degrees Celsius. So, I have to find the phase. And I check from the table at A5 if the pressure is 17.5 MPa and temperature of 550 degrees Celsius, the phase will be in superheated. So, I plot this as a superheated. Since this is superheated, so I refer at table A6. Okay, so in A6 at 17.5 with temperature 550 degrees Celsius, H3 is equal to this value, and I also find S3 because S3 is equal to S4S. I will use this value in process 3 to 4. Okay, so I already have H3. Next, we go to the process 3, 4. 3, 4. 3, 4, okay, is in high pressure turbine. Okay, so here P4 is equal to 2 megapascal and P4 is equal to P5. Okay, P4 is equal to 2 MPa, 2 megapascal, and I choose this S3 is equal to S4S as my second property so that I can find the phase. Okay, S4S, S3 is equals to S4S and S4S is 6.2424 kilojoule per kg. So I refer at table A5 and at A5 I check the value at 2 megapascal or 2000 kilopascal. I check the SF and SG and I find out that S4S is in between of these two value, which means it is in the mixture. So I drag the 0.4 into the dome. Okay, like this. I drag the state 4 into the dome because state 4 is in mixture. So everything in mixture, we have to put it in a dome. Okay, so since this is a mixture, we have to use special formula. Please remember the special formula. So Y I replace with S for S, YF I replace with SF, plus X, YFG I replace with SFG. And all this value, I find it from A5. Okay, I modify this equation, so I will get X4S as a 97.52. And please find this value at 2000 kilopascal at table A5. Alright, so I find the quality is 0.9752 and I will use this value to find H4. So special formula, I replace Y with H. Okay, then I will get H4 as a 2751.403. So this is the value of state 4.